How do we solve specific failed Windows Update error codes? This code means the service is disabled. To fix it, open services.msc in Run Tool, find Windows Update, and change the startup type to automatic. And these errors mean files are missing. That means Windows can't find the update files it just downloaded. To fix it, clear the software distribution folder and try again as we did it earlier in Fix 3. And this means file is in use, meaning another program, usually an antivirus, is scanning the update files while Windows is trying to install them. To fix it, temporarily disable your antivirus for 10 minutes and then rerun the update. And this means source not found, meaning Windows is missing a core file it needs to apply the update. The fix is run the DISM or SFC scans to repair the system foundation as we did it in Fix 4 earlier. This means network is blocked, meaning your internet connection is preventing a handshake with Microsoft servers. The fix: disable your VPN or proxy and try again.